Hey guys, Paddy back again. So if you're new to the channel, I upload daily about ways to make money online, mainly eBay dropshipping. So if you're into that kind of stuff, come over here and just hit subscribe. So today I just want to talk a little bit about Snoptimization. So for those of you that don't actually know what Snoptimizing or Snoptimization is, I'm going to go into a little bit more detail. So when you're dropshipping on eBay, there's a few different methods you could use. You can use bulk listing, which I don't know much about. You can use optimization, so we'd find a product over here on Amazon or a retailer, mark it up, sell it on eBay and completely optimize the title to make sales. Now you can click the video up there in the right hand corner to go and understand optimization. And then there's sniping. So we'd find a product on here, on Amazon or a retailer, go over to eBay, find another dropshipper selling the item, then we'd take his whole listing, we'd take the title, the description, everything, undercut him, and make sales that way. So sniping. Now Snoptimization is a combination of both. So what we would do is find again an item on one of our retailers, whether it's Tesco, Asda, Walmart, Amazon, whichever retailer you want to use, but we'd find the item, find someone else, a dropshipper on eBay selling that item, make sure he's sold a few, and then we'd take his description, the image, list it for ourselves, but completely optimize the title. So essentially we're just finding the products that are selling on eBay and have a proven track record that are selling, and optimize the title to make more sales. So that is essentially Snoptimization or Snoptimize. I like to call it Sniptimize or Sniptimizing, so I might start using that in my titles and get everyone else saying that, just because it sounds a little bit better than Snoptimize. So that's essentially it. I won't make this video too long, because to explain what I just explained doesn't take long at all. It is a real simple concept to grasp. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe, go and turn on post notifications so you can get notified for any further uploads I do. And also, give me a thumbs up. Show some love. Give me a thumbs up. So, that is it for today, or for this episode, and I'll see you again soon.